A divorced couple's battle over frozen embryos has led to a legal firestorm. The ex-wife wants to use the embryos to conceive. The ex-husband does not. By itself, it's a touchy and modern legal issue, already with years of legal history. Now, a Fairfax County judge has added new fuel to the fiery debate by opining that a 19th century slave law in Virginia means embryos can be considered property. In the case, Judge Richard Gardiner cited a code from 1849 and how it addressed enslaved people caught in the middle of property disputes, written at a time when they were sellable property, the legal term chattel. The code reads, when an equal division of slaves, goods, or chattels cannot be made in kind among those entitled, a court of equity may direct the sale of the same and the distribution of the proceeds according to the rights of the parties, end quote.
I would be very surprised if this ruling stands.
Susan Crocken is a senior scholar that teaches reproductive technology law at Georgetown Law Center. She says previously in these types of cases, the courts have looked to the Constitution, the 13th Amendment and its protection of bodily autonomy, and the 14th Amendment's defense of privacy and freedom. Crocken says arguing an enslavement law is applicable here isn't necessary or appropriate.
Control over the embryos has been debated a lot, but never in the context of, is it sellable property? Nobody thinks that at this court.
The status of embryos has been at the center of the ongoing debate in the wake of the overturning of Roe v. Wade and perhaps the future of codifying a woman's right to choose. Crocken is concerned an argument like this one could seep into and complicate an already complicated issue.
The courts are very reluctant to do what they call forced procreation for a spouse who no longer wants to be a parent. 90% of the time, it's the man.
Crocken says she's not aware of any other court that has ruled that human embryos can be bought and sold. The decision in this case is not final. The judge is yet to rule on other arguments in the case involving this couple. Derrick Ward, News 4.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.